So what are you doing?
I hope I didn't run out of glue.
Oh no.
Man, let me see.
I hope not. If you want, I could run out and get. If you think you ran out.
Yes. Yes. I made it. I just made it. Holy crap.
That's all you needed to finish it up?
Yeah.
Okay, we are making steps that lead to the pool, to the swimming pool. So this is the first time doing this, and everything has a first time, right? When you do it yourself.
This is trial and error.
But so far it looks good. Leads to the pool.
This stuff dries so quick, but it says 2 to 3 days, no heavy traffic.
2 to 3 days. We're not gonna have anybody 2 to 3 days, right? Is the party's on Saturday?
Can't believe I made
A week from now. Wow, looks nice. It was a lot of work, right?
That's it.
So you can't step on it yet?
No.
Let's step on it. I'm just kidding.
I'm here for a little while.
Hmm?
I'm here for a little while.
Let me know if you want me to help you with those other rocks, putting them along the pool.
Fill the back.
Where are the rocks gonna go? Here?
The side.
It's not a bad idea. So each block cost what, $3 and something? Each block, and it took 3, 6, 9, 12. It took more than what? How many do you have there altogether?
Altogether?
Mm-hmm.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 25.
25 of them?
25 times 3 is 75 bucks. 75 bucks, and the glue? I forgot how much the glue was. $5?
5
$80
bucks?
bucks.
So it was an $80 job. How about those rocks? But that was a separate purchase, so we're not counting that, right?
That's a separate purchase.
But if you would have paid somebody, it would have been a lot more money, right?
Oh yeah.
So this is how you save on do it yourself. You try it out first, and then
One gap. Everything else was pretty much tight.
And how long would you say it took you? I mean, I know you've been doing it for days, but it's in part. It's not the whole day. So how long altogether?
Like 3 days.
No, but I'm saying
Oh, like about a day's work.
a day's work. Okay. So a day's work, first time doing this. And that's not counting going to the store and buying them, of course. So let's see how it looks. It's not really complete yet until we put those rocks there. So,
I'm gonna wait a while.
but it's a lot better than what it used to be.
Let it dry. What time is it, more or less?
It's 4 something.
Or something. And the pool
Yep.
hasn't turned on.
Hmm?
The pool didn't turn on yet.
Alright, so this is it, right? This is it. No more for YouTube viewers. This is it. You're done. Right? Alright, I'm gonna go help you with the rocks then. Alright, YouTube viewers, thanks for viewing. And this was the very first time that we tried this, and these are steps that lead to the pool. So, okay. Thanks for viewing.